And people when I follow me come see this particular question, they say make we simplify am. Me, I want to have for two method. Make you just judge am which one will like pass. The first thing I go do now, as I see cube root of 4 to the power of 1.5, be like this 1.5 go give us wahala for here. Make we comot am first. One way I go take comot convert this 1.5. Make I no see decimal for my life. Be say, remember I want teach you something quick. Watch. If I get 1.5, I want convert am to fraction from this decimal to maybe improper fraction. Which I go just do. I will just say, okay, if I move this decimal point one time, it means say I dey divide am by 10. Anytime you move decimal point once, it dey divide by 10. If you move am twice, it dey divide by 100. So if I move this one comot here, you know say na 15 go come remain. Because I don move am once, I go come divide am by 10. 15 over 10 na you suppose replace this guy. But this 15 over 10 na fit still reduce am. 5 fit go inside 15 3 times. 5 fit go inside 10 2 times. So I don get this question to become cube root of 4 to the power of 3 over 2. When you reach this particular point, if you use different method carry solve am. Remember, when you see something like this, cube root of a now the same thing as a to the power of 1 over 3. If you don't know, just know am now. So cube root of 4 to the power of 3 over 2 now the same thing as 4 to the power of 3 over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. You see say this 3 dey up, 3 dey down, so they fit cancel. Some people go still do 3 times 1 3 over 2 times 3 6. If you reduce am 1 this one 2, it go still give you 1 over 2 while I do cancelling. So it give me 1 over 2. It's as a quick. So now make you dey learn shortcut like this. Last thing what I go tell you now, you say if I see a to the power of 1 over 2, now the same thing as square root of a. Make you learn that one. So this one is the same thing as square root of 4, and square root of 4 now 2. If you don't like it like that, if you reach this point now, do it like this. Say this 4 now the same thing as 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of this 1 over 2. You see say this one and this one will cancel. 2 to the power of 1 and the same thing as 2. If you like this one, follow on like that. Then another way I feel do am too, since I get the cube root of 4 to the power of 1 over 1.5. So what I would like do for this particular one, now still the same thing. You must do this particular first stage where we say I convert them to this point. So I go say 3 to the power the cube root of 4 to the power of 3 over 2. So here now you just form what you call fractional index. If you work on this one first before you go to talk about the cube root, how I want to take run now, you go still write down the cube root of this one now according to fractional index. If you get a to the power of b over c, this c wey dey down now as the denominator will change to become the c root of a of this a all to the power of this b wey dey on top like this. You understand? Then they call them fractional index. So same thing here. These two wey dey down will change to square root of 4 all to the power of this particular 3 wey dey here. So wetin can happen? Wetin be the square root of 4? Everybody knows say na 2 now. So I can't get cube root of 2 to the power of 3. Me, I know say 2 to the power of 3 now 8. But if it's from here now, change, convert this one now. Say as it be like this. Anytime we see cube root and cube, 2 of them fit cancel. So what you go remain are just 2. Instead of to go check say 2 to the power of 3 will give you 8. What will be the cube root of 8? Now still 2. 3 numbers will go multiply itself to give you 8. So now this method A now you like, abi na method B now you like. Put them for comment section. Like this particular video, share, follow me for more because I get plenty interesting math will come they bring on your way. Make you for sabi book where. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I go see you. My name is Instructor Allison.